How to change your payment method in Mobile Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your payment method in Mobile Legends so you can make purchase easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first, launch Mobile Legends app on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And if you are planning to buy in-game items like diamonds, Twilight passes, and other bundles, you need a valid payment method linked to your account. As you know, Mobile Legends itself doesn't have stored payment details. Instead, it uses the payment method connected to your Google Play Store or Apple ID. So to change your payment method, you need to update it in your device settings. So to do that, you can simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon. And from there, you can select payments and subscriptions. And from there, you can simply add, remove, or update your payment options. And once done, you can simply return to Mobile Legends and proceed with your purchase. And the game will automatically use your updated payment method from Google Play or the App Store. And that's it. Changing your payment methods in Mobile Legends is simple once you know where to look. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.